So I decided to do this little video here to show you how to exchange the water pump, the tensioner, and the belt on a 991.2 Porsche 911. And it's an incredible feat to do, but I'll try to show at least a few steps. So I'm starting this video from the back, believe it or not. I'm going to be going it backwards because I figured that I don't need a video, but then I couldn't find any other videos online, so I figured I'll make one in the end regardless. So this is kind of the last step from behind. So I already installed a new water pump. It's really easy. It's 7 screws, like these guys right here. 1, 2, there's some more up there, 2 here, 1 there, and then this side right there is 2. Take them off. The water pump comes right out. It's very easy. You got to tilt the top forward and then pull upwards because there's a bracket down here that holds it. These 2 screws hold that bracket, and you can bend that bracket back a little bit. It'll help you jimmy out this water pump. This is the breather hose for it as well. You got to disconnect that. That's really easy. Put it back on the same spot. Mine was going. The evidence was right here. The little whites, the coolant that drips on this pipe. This coolant right over transfer pipe, and it leaks out of this pulley, so you'll know when you need it. It's really highly recommended to replace after 50,000 miles, as I was told by a Porsche tech. So technically, this is the last step. It'll be the first step of a video. Be back in a minute.